The Amadeo Martí Carbonell AMC company began in 1958 as a local supplier of mechanical parts for the Spanish automotive market. In the 70s, it began selling to the European market from its first facilities in Nules, on the east coast of Spain. AMC specialized in the casting and machining of engine cylinder heads, having they expand its facilities to the current headquarters of AMC Aftermarket with more than 44,500 square meters at the most cutting-edge design and production technology systems in the market. The accumulated experience and the training of highly qualified personnel has turned AMC company into a worldwide model in terms of casting and machining of aluminium and iron parts. Currently, AMC sells more than 850 kinds of adaptable cylinder heads to more than 30 car brands throughout 72 countries on 5 continents. AMC is a world leader in the manufacture of cylinder heads for diesel and gasoline engines for vehicles up to 3,500 kilograms. Recently, AMC has begun the manufacture of pieces set aside for e-mobility. Its portfolio includes cylinder heads for diesel and gas engines for vehicles over 3,500 kilograms, as well as for industrial use. In addition to cylinder heads, camshafts and thrusters, AMC has specialized in the design and production of prototypes and short series for the automotive and railway industries. All AMC products are sanely tested in valve tightness, water circuit pressure, and oil circuit pressure. Checks are made according to the machining specifications of each cylinder head, while the measurements obtained are compared with the specifications of origin, following a quality model accredited with the ISO TS 16949 certification that guarantees the environmental respect of the entire manufacturing process. AMC got in 2005 the TS 16949 standard, allowing to supply pieces to original equipments following the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 parameters that guarantee quality, reliability, and an excellent customer service. Since 2017, AMC carries out a strategic plan that has led to the opening of an own logistics platform for the Americas with a subsidiary in Mexico, allowing the distribution of premium spare parts in the Latin American market. Experience, confidence, quality, technology, warranty, all these values make AMC a leading company that aspires to become the #1 supplier of the main automotive and engine manufacturing groups worldwide. AMC Aftermarket. Work to make you strong.